There are calls in the heart only home can answer. For every Boholano, whether staying here, working outside Bohol, or an OFW carried far by life's winds, Bohol is never just a place. It's the very sense of belonging. Here in Bohol lies Panglao Island, known around the world and a magnet for travelers, and soon, rising within this island's embrace will be a new beginning. A place crafted to grow with your dreams and welcome your story. Royal Palms Bohol. This feature is in partnership with your reliable partner, Primary Homes Incorporated.
An island paradise becomes your everyday reality at Royal Palms Bohol, where tropical living meets modern comfort and convenience. Hi, I'm Gerard Hamora from CDN Digital. Come with me today as we explore where exclusivity, style, and charm come together to create a home like no other. Royal Palms Bohol. This is your dream home in the heart of paradise.
Brought to you by the award-winning Most Sustainable Developer, Primary Homes Incorporated. This is the 5th Royal Palms community in Bohol. With an elegant new facade and a layout refined for the way we live today, it's a place that reflects continuous growth and enduring value. A branded community thoughtfully built by your reliable partner in home buying, a developer trusted through the years.
Royal Palms puts you in a premier location, in the heart of the action without sacrificing serenity. Imagine a life where every day begins with possibility and where wonder lives just beyond your doorstep.
Conveniently accessible just minutes from the Bohol Panglao International Airport and the Tagbilaran Seaport, this community connects you effortlessly to where you need to be. You're in the perfect spot with Royal Palms Bohol. Located in Dauis, Panglao Island, it places you in one of the most sought-after destinations in the world. A jewel of the Philippines renowned for its revered white sand beaches and a sanctuary to world-class resorts that draw travelers from across the globe.
Yet here, it's not just a place to visit, it's a place to belong. Step into this prestigious community where contemporary Mediterranean design meets Filipino warmth. In this exclusive enclave, enjoy resort-style living.
Take a refreshing swim in the swimming pool, celebrate with family and friends in the clubhouse, play tennis or basketball at the multi-purpose court, and stay active in the fitness gym. Watch kids laugh and play freely, stroll through lush garden spaces, or jog along peaceful trails.
All this within a safe, exclusive, vibrant community designed for your peace of mind and everyday pleasure. At Royal Palms Bohol, every home is thoughtfully crafted for comfort and elegance, featuring spacious layouts, contemporary finishes, and natural tones.
Each unit combines Mediterranean charm with modern comforts, giving you a space that's both stylish and functional. Well-designed open spaces invite effortless movements, creating a natural flow through the home. Generous floor-to-ceiling heights and ample, large operable windows work together to fill the interiors with light and air, bringing a sense of calm, spaciousness, and everyday ease to your living experience.
Discover a curated collection of beautifully designed homes tailored for every lifestyle. Whether a first-time buyer, embracing single life or newly married, starting or growing a family, welcoming extended loved ones, or entering a well-deserved retirement, your perfect home awaits.
For singles or couples just starting their home journey, this single-story Hidalgo Royal is an excellent choice. With its cozy 45 square meters size and approachable price point, it's designed to support life's early hustle and provide an accessible entry into a prestigious community. Designed for small families who seek comfort without compromise, the single-attached Turiano is a compact and highly efficient 56 square meter one-story home with 3 bedrooms, settling in the stage for life's unforgettable first and cherished milestones. For those seeking a single-story home with generous space, the Hermoso model offers 81 square meters of mindfully designed living area, complete with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Ideal for retirees or anyone drawn to the ease and serenity of calm, one-level living. Balancing space and value for growing families, the Palacios Grande is a 2-story single detached home with a well-designed 87 square meter layout. It features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering a flexible layout with versatile spaces ideal for personalization to suit evolving lifestyle. Highlighting generous space, the Hermoso Grande is a 2-story single detached home offering 194 square meters of living area on a 180 square meter standard lot. Perfect for larger families looking to live, grow, and thrive. It features 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, providing comfort and room to come together, welcome visitors, and graciously accommodate extended family.
Built by Primary Homes, Royal Palms Bohol offers world-class quality, a perfect value for money.
Constructed with the innovative primary engineered building system and light-strong wall system, these homes are built to help withstand earthquakes and typhoons, providing lasting strength and comfort. Light-strong walls help maintain a comfortable indoor climate while resisting pests. Ready for easy move-in, kitchen come fully equipped with cabinets and kitchen counter. Bedrooms feature custom-built cabinetry for ample storage, and bathrooms include durable tiles and fixtures. Superior plumbing and electrical systems ensure safe, reliable, and efficient living from day one.
Each home is crafted with premium construction quality and finishes that honor your hard-earned investment. Why settle for ordinary when you can wake up in paradise every day?
Easy equity terms, flexible financing options through the Pag-ibig Fund and partner banks, and a simple home buying process make it easier than ever to own your slice of paradise.
Set in a place where value rises with every sunrise, your dream home becomes both a cherished retreat and a worthy investment with Royal Palms Bohol. Your dream home is waiting. Live your best life at Royal Palms Bohol. Make your dream home a reality now.